Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing AirPod Pro's second generation. So brand new, just came out today. Had to get them. Apparently, active noise cancellation is twice as good as the first generation of AirPods Pro. So excited to check that out. AirPods Pro second generation. Charges with MagSafe charging case too, so that's cool. Charges on the Apple Watch charger. Let's do this. Super therapeutic. So fresh. Let's see. Ta-da! Designed by Apple in California. All right. Let's see. Nothing too exciting here, but charges with the watch charger, so that's cool. All right. Paperwork. All right, what you guys are here for. All right. Oh. Show you this. Ooh. All right, it's been a while since I opened the first gen AirPod Pros, but here's what this comes with. All right, so it's a USB-C to lightning cable in here. And here is the package of the earbud tips. Whoa, okay. So more sizes this time. Extra small, the medium must be attached on the product, and then large. All right, here we go. Boom. Okay, cool. Lanyard hole, microphone, or not microphone, speaker this time. All right, so it looks like how I expected, but cool. That's the unboxing of this. Let me pull out my first gen AirPod Pros to show you side by side. So these are the first gen AirPod Pros. Side by side comparison. You can see how dirty mine have gotten, but after a couple years of use, time for a new pair. So dope. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you're all doing well. Have a great weekend. Later.